From early on, South by Southwest has attracted people from really all around the world. That was one of our initial goals, was to bring people from overseas here.
During the last year, we began talking to each other whether it could be a great combination, bringing Mercedes into the game.
We truly believe it's a fantastic format where we can get into contact with people who normally would not join us on automobile affairs around the globe.
The ME convention fits into the South by Southwest family because, the goals are the same, to create new relationships, new ideas, new ways forward for, the future.
Here in Austin, we wanted to offer added value in our sponsorship. So we added the Palm Park, where we give relaxation areas, additional potential areas for talking about technology.
It's a great partnership between South by Southwest and the folks at Mercedes.
I think it's worth building our future partnership with another ME convention this year, right?
Yeah, so Frankfurt was great, but really excited about Stockholm.
We will be in Stockholm September, beginning of September, 4th to 6th, right? Yeah.
We want to support and dedicate efforts into the platform of the South by Southwest here in Austin because we truly believe it's a fantastic format where we can get into contact with people who normally would not join us on automobile affairs around the globe. So that's the one aspect. The second aspect is it's a perfect chance for us to get in contact with technical startups, young entrepreneurs, interesting people, and as well maybe find the one or the other joining us as a company.
We ended up at the keynote overrun. I know, it's not nice. Nothing. Do the thing. That is pretty bitchin'. And then go ahead and set it down.
Well, doing the first ME convention in Frankfurt was really a leap of faith that paid off big. It worked out really well. Everybody had a great time. It was very successful. It's a great partnership between South by Southwest and the folks at Mercedes.
Well, two great platforms are coming together. The South by Southwest with 40 years of experience in terms of music, film, and in the last years, of course, talking about interactive. That's a great community which is already existing. And during the last year, we began talking to each other whether it could be a great combination, bringing Mercedes into the game and building something new for Europe.
One of the reasons why we are here at the South by in Austin is really to identify what are the trends for mobility in the future. So thank you very much, Jill, and hello everybody. How are you today?
And he is powering already 4 of 5 in-car navigation systems.
And essentially like animals crossing streets in the middle of the road.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming. Thanks for listening. Have a great day in Austin.